One evening, Annie was sitting outside on her little stool sipping special and humming an old Bon Marley tune, when a tall man in blue jeans and a bright yellow shirt walked by. On the back of his shirt was printed in big bold letters, TikTok Police. She squinted at him while sipping her rum special.
Big man, what the TikTok police on your back for?
She asked, smirking. He laughed and licked his lips and said,
My name TikTok Police, cause me dip on TikTok every day. We patrol all the girl them page to see who fi arrest with me love.
Annie almost choked on her rum special.
You muddy? You wanna lock me up with your love charge?
She asked, slapping her knee and laughing until tears ran down her face. From that day, TikTok Police never left her side. Every morning, he brings her bag juice and bun from shop. Every night, he sits down on the stool beside her scrolling TikTok videos loudly while she sips rum special and nods like she's proud of him. One night, Anna couldn't take it anymore.
Mommy, how you fit there with a man named TikTok Police? What him really do for work?
She asked. Annie licked her lips and grinned with her rotten teeth shining in the moonlight.
Me not care what him do. As long as him patrol my heart and bring me bun and bag juice, him are the real police.
And from then, people start calling Annie's house the TikTok station because every time you pass by, you see TikTok Police dancing outside and Annie clapping along with her cup of rum special like she is the commissioner. After a while, TikTok Police tells Annie,
Babe, we often start the life together. The people in me love your rotten teeth smile and me dance move. We often make money together. We can make money together, baby.
Annie burst with excitement. Next thing, every evening they sat together on stools outside, phone prop up on an old bucket while they go live.
Bless up my fans. My name TikTok Police and this I'm a queen, Annie.
He said, doing one foolish dance. Annie laughed with her rum teeth shining bright. But soon Annie started noticing strange things. Anytime they go live, TikTok Police always begging gifts like that's all he needed.
Yeah, people, and I can send the lion, send the galaxy. I can reach target now.
He shouted, wiggling his dry waist like he's about to drop. One night after going live, Annie watched him counting the money he made to buy a new shoes and a new chain, but he only gave her $500 to buy food. She glared at him hard.
TikTok Police, I try, mini, I try shoot at me. But you can't do that to me. I have to live it tonight.
He smiled at her and rubbed her shoulder, saying,
Babe, don't say that. You know I love you. I'm gonna buy you bun and bug juice tomorrow, okay?
Annie's heart melted like ice in the sun. By morning, he came with a juice and bun and a few sweet words.
My queen, my empress.
He whispered in her ears and kissed her cheek. Annie giggled like a teenager holding the bun close to her chest. Anna watched from the side and hissed her teeth hard, saying,
Look how mommy easy for fool. One bun and bag juice and she gone again. We can't bother.
And every day, TikTok Police would sweet her up with fake love talk, bun and bag juice and 2 little dance moves until Annie starts blushing and talk pure foolishness on live like.
Me and my police are go viral. Cha? I love my baby.
Meanwhile, TikTok Police was looking at the phone camera, counting all the gifts like dollars bills, planning the next live with his bored house queen.
Please follow, share, like, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link in bio.